Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Connie. If you're new here, I want to give you a big welcome. In today's video, we are taking care of the yard. We have been doing a lot of work on the inside, and our yard has kind of taken a back seat. So we have some weeding, a ton of watering, and some mowing to do. Plus, my husband is going to be fixing our garden. And we are also hanging up a decoration on my barn. I'm glad you have joined me today, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. We like to save as much money as possible, so my husband is sharpening the blades on the lawnmower. They're like new when he's done. I'll tell you what, I love my hostas, but they do like to take over a garden. So I'm just cutting these back so my little flowers I planted in the spring can get some water and some sunshine. And I have to do this a couple of times a season because they will just come back stronger than ever. Morris, what are you doing? Yeah, you deep in. Here, my husband is hanging up a star that I picked up at a local thrift store in town. And I knew I wanted a star when I purchased this shed, but I wasn't going to pay the Amazon price. So we happened to go in there one day. This star was on sale for $15, and I grabbed it up. It was perfect. He will also be hanging 2 butterflies that I found at Goodwill for $1.25 a piece. This is how we live at Thrifty Country Life. I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, y'all, if you followed me since the beginning of the season when we were planting all these flowers, then you would know that this is a roll and grow. It is one of those where the seeds come in the weed barrier already, and you just roll it out and keep watering all season. I feel like I'm not sure if I have flowers coming in here or if they are weeds. So I'm not pulling anything yet. I'm pretty sure that one right there is a flower with the way that the leaves are. But I'm still waiting to see if anything else pops up, and I'm hoping, I think I do see some weeds in there, but I'm not pulling anything yet, like I said, until I see if flowers are coming through. So we're gonna keep you updated on that one.
Pepper's actually got a little thing on top of it.
Yeah. Here's an update on our garden that we planted. It seems to be doing really well. We do have a dead one back there, which is spinach. I don't exactly know what happened with that. We think that maybe it got too tall and the wind blew it. I don't know. But this one, something is eating it, and we've had this covered with this mesh stuff, so I don't know what is eating it, but we'll see what happens with those. And then in this row we have eggplant, and those all seem to be doing really well. This here is romaine lettuce, those three. And this here is cabbage, mid-season cabbage, as well as zucchini. And those seem to be doing well. Zucchini in the back is a little small. And then here we have oregano. And this is a sweet pepper. It's already got a little flower on there. This is basil. And then, of course, our tomatoes. He's trimming the bottoms off, so all the energy will go towards the top. But yeah, it seems to be doing really well. This is our first year planting it in a raised bed, so we're hoping that it would do good. Right now, we only have one fatality, unfortunately. And then we also have chives here coming in. So that is the update on the garden. Here he is making the hoops taller so the plants don't grow into the netting, and it gives them more room to grow. We want to keep the netting over the plants because we have a lot of wildlife that run around here, and we don't need them eating our garden. All right, explain to them why you're putting the screws in this thing.
To secure the brackets, so they're not blown this way. It's going to stiffen it up. See? No more moving right there. May have it on top this way, but it's not going to be moving in this thing and it's going to fall out.
Okay. Time to feed the feathered family members. We have a cardinal who has claimed this feeder all his own. That's okay, as long as somebody eats it.
Right there.
We have a very happy hummingbird already. I love them little birds. I call them God's angels. After a long, hot day working in the yard, I sure didn't feel like cooking a big dinner. So we just kept it simple with hot dogs, cottage cheese, baked beans, pickle, chips, and of course, you can't forget iced tea. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next time I upload a video. So until then, stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Bye.